how to update your iPhone or iPad to iOS 18. Hello guys, this is Atticus from Create Login and Delete. Welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can update your iPhone or your iPad to iOS 18. So now let's get started. So the first step you'll want to do is make sure that you have a really strong Wi-Fi connection. You can try to disconnect your Wi-Fi and connect it back again. And after you've done that, you can go back and go to your settings. Now after you're on your settings, go to general. Now when you're on your general, go to software update. And on your software update, you should get an software update option. Now after the 18 has been released, you will get an option to upgrade to iOS 18 or just stay at iOS 17.2. But there is another version of iOS 17.2. So you can upgrade to either one, and after you've done that, you can just wait for a few hours or minutes depending on your internet speed, and your iPhone will get updated to iOS 18. So yeah, that is pretty much it for the video guys. I hope you guys found this video helpful, and if you did, leave a like down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos.